Hey everyone, and a very warm welcome to Travel Tips and Tricks. There's a certain kind of magic that happens when you step out of your comfort zone and into the world. It's the thrill of seeing a landmark you've only ever read about in books, the taste of a food you can't even pronounce, and the kindness of a stranger who helps you find your way. Travel has this incredible power to change us, to open our minds, and to fill our lives with stories we'll be telling for years to come. It's an investment in yourself, creating memories that are truly priceless. But I also know that if you're planning your very first international trip, that magical feeling can be mixed with a healthy dose of nerves. You might be asking yourself, where do I even begin? Am I packing the right things? How will I handle the language barrier? What if something goes wrong? It's that feeling of standing at the edge of a diving board for the first time. A little scary, but also incredibly exciting. Well, I'm here to tell you that every single one of those feelings is valid. Every seasoned traveler you see confidently navigating an airport was once a first-timer, feeling exactly what you're feeling right now. The key isn't to eliminate the nerves, but to transform them into preparedness and excitement. And that's exactly why I made this video. So, take a deep breath, relax, and don't worry, because I've got you covered. In today's video, we're going to break down the top 10 essential travel tips specifically for first-time travelers. This isn't just a random list, it's a foundational toolkit designed to empower you. We'll cover everything from the crucial planning stages to navigating your destination with confidence. Our goal is to help you travel smart, which means making informed choices that save you time, money, and stress. We'll focus on how to stay safe, giving you practical strategies to protect yourself and your belongings. And most importantly, we'll explore how to make the most of every single moment, ensuring your first adventure is not just a trip, but a truly transformative experience. By the end of this video, you'll have a rock-solid framework to plan and execute your trip like a pro. Are you ready to turn that travel dream into a reality? Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Plan ahead but stay flexible. Do your research. Learn about your destination's culture, weather, and transportation. But don't overplan. Some of the best travel moments happen when you go with the flow. Tip 2. Pack light and smart. Pack only what you need. Choose mix and match outfits, and don't forget essentials like chargers, a reusable water bottle, and a small first aid kit. Remember, you'll always bring more home than you took. Tip 3. Keep your documents safe. Make photocopies or digital backups of your passport, tickets, and insurance. Keep one copy in your bag and another in the cloud, just in case. Tip 4. Manage your money wisely. Nothing puts a damper on a trip faster than a financial hiccup. But with a little bit of planning, you can ensure your money works for you, not against you, no matter where you are in the world. First things first, let your bank know you're traveling. This is a crucial step to prevent your cards from being frozen due to suspected fraudulent activity. Imagine trying to pay for a meal in a new city, only to have your card declined. A quick notification through your bank's app or a phone call can save you a world of stress. Also, take a moment to ask about their foreign transaction fees. Some cards charge up to 3% on every purchase abroad, which can add up quickly. Finding a card with zero foreign transaction fees is a game changer for frequent travelers. Next, diversify your payment methods. Use a mix of cards and cash. Credit cards offer great security and are widely accepted, but you'll want cash for smaller vendors, local markets, or tipping. And here's a pro tip: never keep them all in one place. Think of it as creating a financial backup plan. Keep your primary card and a day's worth of cash in your wallet. Then, stash a backup card and the rest of your cash separately, perhaps in the hotel safe, a hidden pocket in your backpack, or with a traveling companion. That way, if your wallet gets lost or stolen, you won't be left completely stranded. When it comes to getting local currency, avoid exchanging money at the airport if you can. The rates are rarely in your favor. A better strategy is to withdraw cash from a local ATM upon arrival. You'll generally get a much better exchange rate. Just be mindful of withdrawal fees. Your bank might charge one, and the local ATM might charge another. Withdrawing larger amounts less frequently can often be more cost-effective than making many small withdrawals. To make all of this even easier, modern financial tools are your best friend. Apps like Revolut or Wise can help you track your spending and exchange rates easily. These services allow you to hold multiple currencies in one account and spend like a local, often with the best possible exchange rates and minimal fees. You get instant spending notifications, which helps you stick to your budget, and you can top up your account right from your phone. They are fantastic for managing your money on the move and giving you complete clarity on what you're spending. Tip 5. Book key things in advance. Secure your flights, accommodation, and must-do activities early. It'll save you money and help you feel more organized when you arrive. Tip 6. Stay connected. Get a local SIM card or eSIM so you can use maps, translation apps, and stay in touch. Also, download offline maps and save important info in your notes, just in case Wi-Fi fails. Tip 7. Be aware and stay safe. Keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded areas. Trust your instincts and don't share too many personal details with strangers. Tip 8. Learn a few local phrases. Even a simple hello, please, or thank you in the local language goes a long way, and locals will really appreciate the effort. Tip 9. Always get travel insurance. Seriously, don't skip this one. Whether it's lost luggage, flight cancellations, or medical emergencies, travel insurance can save your trip and your wallet. Tip 10. Enjoy the journey. Travel isn't just about the destination, it's about the experience. Be open-minded, try new foods, meet new people, and take lots of pictures. Every moment counts. And that's it, your top 10 travel tips for first-time travelers. We've covered a lot of ground, from the nitty-gritty of packing and planning to the mindset you need to truly embrace the adventure. It might seem like a long checklist, but think of these tips not as rules, but as your personal toolkit for building an incredible, stress-free, and unforgettable first trip. The goal isn't to plan every single second, but to prepare a solid foundation so you have the freedom to be spontaneous, to get a little lost, and to say yes to unexpected opportunities. Remember, the journey really begins long before you step on the plane. It starts with that initial spark of an idea, the excitement of choosing a destination, and the practical steps you take to make it happen. By planning ahead but staying flexible, you give yourself the best of both worlds, structure and spontaneity. By packing light and smart, you're not just saving your back, you're giving yourself the agility to navigate crowded train stations and cobblestone streets with ease. And by keeping your documents and money secure, you're buying yourself peace of mind, which is the most valuable currency you can have when you're thousands of miles from home. These are the practical pillars that support your entire adventure. Once you're there, the real magic begins. This is where your preparation pays off. Because you booked your must-see tour or your first night's accommodation in advance, you can spend your first day exploring with confidence instead of scrambling for a place to sleep. Staying connected isn't just about posting photos. It's your lifeline for navigating, translating, and discovering that amazing little restaurant the locals rave about online. And speaking of locals, learning even a few simple phrases like, hello, thank you, and excuse me, can completely transform your interactions. It shows respect and opens doors to genuine connections that you'll cherish far more than any souvenir. It turns you from a tourist into a welcome guest. But perhaps the most important tip of all is to embrace the journey itself, with all its perfect imperfections. Things will go wrong. You might miss a train, get caught in the rain, or order something bizarre from a menu you can't read. In those moments, take a deep breath, laugh, and remember that these are the stories you'll be telling for years to come. The unexpected detours often lead to the most memorable discoveries. Travel is about more than just seeing sights. It's about personal growth, building resilience, and learning to find joy in the unexpected. It's about the feeling of seeing a world-famous monument with your own eyes for the first time, the taste of a food you've never experienced, and the kindness of a stranger who helps you find your way. If you found this video helpful and you're feeling inspired to start your own adventure, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel reach more aspiring travelers just like you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We release new travel guides, destination deep dives, and essential tips every single week, and we'd love for you to be part of our community. Now, I want to hear from you. The world is a vast and beautiful place, and the first step is always the most exciting. Where are you planning your first trip? Is it the bustling streets of Tokyo, the ancient ruins of Rome, the serene beaches of Thailand, or a national park in your own backyard? Drop your dream destination in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'd love to hear what adventures you're cooking up. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to be prepared, be open, and be present. Until next time, safe travels and bon voyage.